Damn, you're good. Okay.
This time, I will introduce Cunca Polo to those of you who are still confused about finding an atmosphere of an open expanse of nature to fill the void of your day or your heart. Here, I recommend one of the waterfall tourist destinations, Cunca Polo, which is located in Dunta Village, Welak District, West Manggarai Regency. This Cunca Polo destination has a very beautiful panorama, perfect for traveler friends who are always active on social media to be able to take some photos with a panoramic background of Cunca Polo, which certainly adds to the beauty of the pictures taken. Cunca Polo Waterfall is not yet widely known by traveler friends, both local and foreign tourists, because it has not been managed properly. But the Dunta Village community and the surrounding community have visited here a lot. For friends who want to come here, the distance from Labuan Bajo is about 2 hours by motorcycle and 3 hours by car. To get to Cunca Polo, friends have to walk for about 30 minutes. Your fatigue will pay off with the beauty and coolness of Cunca Polo Nature, and the surrounding community is very friendly. That's all the information, more and less apologize, but it's better to come alone to make sure.